Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will continue with chapter 6, Saudi Arabia, the land of sand. And today we will learn about the climate of Saudi Arabia. The climate of Saudi Arabia is extremely hot and dry. There is hardly any rainfall. During occasional heavy rain, wide gullies called wadis get filled up with water. Due to extreme heat, the water quickly evaporates. There are wide gullies. Gullies are called wadis in the desert region, and they fill up with water when there is occasional heavy rain. Usually there is no heavy rainfall, but occasionally after some years, few years or many years, sometimes there is rainfall, heavy rainfall, and then the wide gullies called wadis get filled up with water. Due to extreme heat, the water quickly evaporates. That water quickly evaporates, it goes away. There is no water left. During summer days, days are very hot and nights are cool. In winters, the days are warm and nights are cool. Dust storms are quite common. They appear all of a sudden and make the sky hazy. The dust storms are very common in desert area and they make the sky hazy. Hazy means not very clear. Strong winds and dust storms shift the sand dunes from one place to another. There are strong winds and these winds carry the sand dunes. What are sand dunes? We have already read. They are hills of sand, and these hills of sand shift from one place to another due to strong winds. Next is vegetation. Very few plants grow as the area is dry and barren. There are very less plants because this area is dry and barren. Barren means where not very much plants grow. Most desert plants have long roots which go deep into the earth in search of water. There are long roots of the plants that go deep inside the earth in search of water. The date palm trees are the only trees which grow easily in this region. These are great palm trees which grow in desert region. Next are animal life. Desert animals can live with very little water. Desert animals have a speciality that they can survive with very little water. They need very little water. Snakes, lizards, insects are quite common in the desert. Most of these animals come out at night to find food. Do you know which animal is called the sheep of the desert? Yes, it is the camel. It is very useful as it can live without food and water for many days. You already know this, that the camel is called the sheep of the desert. Agriculture. In some areas, farms have been made by mixing soil with sand. There are some areas in desert where farms have been made. How they are made? By mixing the soil in the sand. Only sand is not enough for growing plants and crops, so some soil is mixed with the sand. Seawater from which salt has been removed is used for irrigation. So some areas have seawater, and that seawater from which salt has been removed. The water is clarified, the salt is removed from it because salty water is not good for crops. That's why this water is clarified. The salt is removed from the water. Wheat, barley, melons and tomatoes are grown in these farms. Cacti are the common plants. Their leaves are reduced to thorns. Cacti are the plants whose leaves are reduced to thorns. In place of leaves, they have thorns. पत्तों की जगह कैक्टिस पर क्या होते हैं? थॉर्न्स होते हैं, कांटे होते हैं. Date palm trees and grass grow in an oasis. Oasis में great palm trees and grass grow होती है near the oasis. An oasis is a place where underground water comes to the surface. What is an oasis? Oasis is an area in desert where underground water comes to the surface. From where the underground water comes? It comes from the ground and outside of the ground naturally. So that area is called oasis. So you can see in the picture, oasis is an area in the desert where water is found. Industry. Besides oil related industries like petroleum and petrochemicals, iron and steel, cement and fertilizers are main industries in Saudi Arabia. So that's all for today. See you in the next class, children.